Don't know what happened there. So, what was the... Let me just, hang on. Let me just do this a sec. To hide my browser history because it's no one else's business. Not that I do anything exciting, but even so. Signal R. This might have been what I was following. Hubs. Get started with Signal R. Okay. Create the project. Add the library. Create the hub. So let's see what's going on. Yay! I'm glad I'm back. Sorry about that. Okay, so first of all, let's just get rid of these notifications. There we go. Me twice. Woo. Okay, so I also need to update the stream title, don't I? Which is title web dev Wednesday working on our C# BattleBot. There we go. Has that updated the stream title? I hope so. Let's see. Stream manager. Oh, yeah, it hasn't. Typical. Okay, I'll keep an eye on chat. Oh, there we go. Now it's connected. Okay, so we need to find out why this isn't working. So I don't know if we need to do anything else. I will release the BattleBot when it works. Doesn't work right now. I mean, it works in console, but we need to get something on the screen first. Once it's actually working, I'll deploy it and then we can stick it up as a browser source. Does this look like React to you? Battleground bot, which is the React one, is deployed because it's there. You're on a phone, so you can't tell the difference between C# and JavaScript. Don't ever change. You get some hearts because that's just brilliant. True story. Yeah, that gets hearts because that's awesome. Ooh. Anyway, let's turn off the heart. Get Tiz on Steeled. What? I think you mean get it on released. And I won't get it released. I will release it when it works. So the aim is to get it to a point where we can see messages on the screen, but at the moment we can't. So what I want to get to the bottom of is we've got Twitch chat service here, which creates a new chat hub, credentials, and we want to track when a message is received. So chat hub.send message. We can go back to chat hub. So send message got a breakpoint. So if we run this now, it should speak in the chat. Does my overlay need reloading because it's not catching up? Let me refresh that a sec. Studio mode, left-hand side, please. this one, and we want it to be oh, good question. Overlay one cam, and we're going to refresh cache of current page. There we go. See, Salma, I've learned studio mode now, thanks to you. I just realised that the trick is to click the source on the left. What's happening is that when you go into studio mode by default, as soon as you make a change, it applies to everybody, but you have to actually explicitly click the preview window on the left, so it changes the preview and not the real thing. So there we go. File not found, could not find, okay. Well, there you go. Well, you're the one that got me into studio mode, so. Because I tried studio mode last week, and when I was trying to fiddle with the, what was it that wasn't working? It was a microphone or something, wasn't it? Something wasn't working. You're not a hack, but something wasn't working, and I tried to do studio mode, but even in studio mode, it messed it up for everybody else. Okay, so we've got the sender message. Okay, so we've got to configure the server as well. So I'll just make sure, follow this tutorial through first, you know, read the docs and all that. So in startup, we add Signal R. I'm pretty sure we did that already. I don't know. It needs to go configure services. Do we have a service? Oh yeah, there we go. Add Signal R. We've got that bit. Oh yeah, and then we need to map the chat hub, which we do down here. That's there. So that it will look at it will start up /chat hub that we can then listen to. We don't care about the pages. What I've done is, because this uses a bit of JavaScript as well, so, well, kind of. In here, we have a page. Oh, I need to change this page. All we need is messages list, so we can get rid of all of this. Because I don't need the like type it inbox and send button, because this is going to be like read only for display. So the only thing we actually need here is the row containing the messages list. So we can save that. We have a chat file here. So what it does is it creates a new connection to the URL. We don't need that. And it's going to say user says this. And then it was going to append it to the messages list. Then we're going to say, we don't care about the send button here, so don't need that bit either. We also don't need this bit because we're not caring about the send button. Our messages should get triggered by the messages from the messaging service. So if we save this, is it going to work now? That is the question. Nope. I mean, we can add it. System text encodings web. Have we got it? System goes at the top, but I'll sort it in a minute. System dot text dot encodings dot web. Why is that purple? What's purple mean? Using directive is not necessary. Oh, okay. Carry on. So it's there because it was an option. What's broken? That is the question. So it should just work. Okay. Signal R core system dot text dot encoding. Can't spell. Encoding not found. There we go. Takes me longer to type on this funky keyboard. You're a dinosaur, obviously. What's it saying here? We continue, what happens? Hang on. So it's version 5. Okay, let's just have a look. Properties. Not that one. Properties. Let's get bold. Let's see what happens. Rude. Oh, interesting. There we go. Woohoo! As if I managed to solve that myself. But look, the bot spoke. Somebody say something. Besides me. Anybody? Need a haircut. Okay, there we go. So we got a message. The username is Dr. Dynamite. Let's see me in a bit, actually. No, not that one. That one. So user's Dr. Dynamite, and it says hello. That's a good start. So then if we step into that, it's not my code, but I'm going to step into it anyway. Object not set to an instance of an object. Really? Ah, fair. Okay. Why does that not surprise me? What isn't? Clients is null. Okay. So we need to get the clients from somewhere. But client shouldn't be null because clients is a static object, right? No, it's not what I meant to do. Go to definition. It's an abstract class. Do we need to create it? Nope. Clients. I think that's right, but at least we'll get some feedback. No, it's from Signal R, I think. Okay, well, we'll have a quick stretch, and then we've got something to work on. Okay. So, we try that again. I want to see what clients is. Okay, so yeah, clients is null. Why? Okay, but that's something to go on. That's good. Signal R core chat hub clients null. Okay. Yeah, that sounds right. Ah, okay. So you need to inject iHub context. Okay, so what am I missing from this example? So you create a web project, add the SignalR library, which we've done, create the hub. But yeah, so that works. What? ASP.NET Core.SignalR, that definitely what's, yeah. Hubs. I'm missing a context. Can we get the code sample from somewhere? That's the docs. Is there a code sample? New. Okay. Yeah. ASP.NET Core Signal R Chat Hub. We've done that. Yep. Do we even need in here? Do we even need? Oh yeah, no, we will want a view, I think. Create and use the hubs. Okay, so the hub class is a context property that contains the following properties. Okay, so that's the user. Why would it be empty? Dealer's choice. Oh, okay. Well, it's right here, so how it is. Wonderful. Here we go. We're going to start to talk really, really, really quickly. Like we're back doing Monday marbles because I got the hat on. No, no one's going to talk super fast with development. I'll get confused as heck. Okay, so send a message. But this is what's confusing me. So this is right, but it's just. What am I doing wrong? Okay, connection.invoke send message. So that was in chat.js. We've got that. So when you receive a message, sup? How goes it? Oh. Okay, so replace it with that, and then we're gonna say that's the encoded message. Because nothing here actually sends the message, does it? We paste that. Oh, I give up. I'm going putting the split keyboard down because the lack of a working control button makes it rather difficult to code. So magic keyboard to it is. Sorry, Matt. So we want to do that. So it's chat hub with a capital H. And in, yep. Okay. So if we refactor this, we do anything? Yeah, there we go. That's what I want. So I can do that. Okay, let's try again. What's going to happen this time? There we go. So BattleBot's engaged. Hi. Okay, so got the username, got the message. Step over. Yeah, see. Let's have a look. So it's Signal or core chat hub. No reference except Signal R core, Signal R client. Okay. Why is it? No, I need a code sample really. Hey, everybody. Ooh, Corey's here. CLW might know about Signal R. Do you know about Signal R, Corey? We're gonna do a cheer for you because I'm thrilled you're here. So yeah, so basically what's happening is the username and message comes in okay, but it's throwing a null reference exception because clients is null. But everything I've seen in like docs and stuff, when it has the sample of how to do this, it's like this. There's no client initiation. So I don't know why clients is null. So any info that you might have is greatly appreciated. I'm all new to this, so I'm learning as we go. Does this do... Yeah. In startup, we've got the controller root and we've got the chat hub, and it uses Signal up here in services. I followed the what page was it? There we go, the getting started one. It's just that I didn't do the UI part, but I don't think I deleted anything that would break it. So I did the client library. So yeah, see here, it doesn't do anything. Like mine's exactly the same. It should just work. Yeah. So I did the Signal, the client code. The only bit I've deleted is this lot on the UI because I only care about the list of messages. Then in the JavaScript, I've got the connection. Yeah, I thought I just updated, but let's have a look. Stop my time. Yeah, there's no updates. So I got rid of... maybe, hang on. So on receive message, replace it. This might be where I'm going wrong, because it's not receive message that we care about. It's actually send message, because maybe? No, this should be right, because it's only if you receive a message. So if I go back to... Let's just close all the other tabs. Possibly. I don't know how can we check it. So we don't need that. That's if you send a message, but all we're doing here is handling receiving it on the UI. We got a VIP in the chat. AWOL clipping yourself. Oh dear. Matter? BattleBot is not compatible with .NET Core. BattleBot supports .NET Core. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Let's at least to start with, let's at least get them on matching versions. So it should start up. There we go. So it sends a message in chat. Then here, White Panther's waved. Let's do immediate window. iHub context. Oh, okay, right. So, yeah, clients is null. I don't know why. Yeah, so when you receive a message, just bring it in and display it. Okay, so send message is getting called by this. Okay, sent me something on Discord. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, I'll listen to that after. Oh, we can hear it now, actually. Everyone else should better hear it. That's awesome. We should totally hook that up. Yeah, I think you might be right. So, okay. Okay, so iHub Context Chat Hub. Our chat client will be our Twitch chat service, I guess. Oh, that's awesome. We'll play that when it starts. Okay. So from the host builder, we can set the hub context. Okay, interesting. Get an instance of iHub context. Okay. Okay. So you can inject a regular iHub context into the class. Okay. So iHub context. Oh, it's going to be a. I'm so rusty at this stuff. Inject in the controller. Okay. In the home controller. Okay. Can do this. Solution Explorer. Hide that. Hide that. What? Reload. What? Now that is super weird. Yeah, I realised that from seeing that. I'm just it's gone weird on me. Where's my solution? Dependencies. Let's close and reopen Visual Studio. It's being weird. Okay. So we want the home controller, which is home controller. There we go. So we need ourselves one of these. Don't be rude. Everyone's welcome here. Yep. Oh, where does that come from? Oh, isn't FFFFF black? That's not an option. I can make it as dark as possible, but black's not an option because obviously it's light, isn't it? Or is FFF white? I should know this, but I forget. FFF. Color. It's white. Well, there you go. Okay, so Alexa, set the office light to white. There you go. Oh, I can place notification hut with chat hub. Okay. You are a smart man, Corey. Okay, so we do that, and then this also takes a iHub context of type chat hub and call it hub context. Oh, thanks for the unicorn bit. And then hub context is equal to hub context. Everyone talk about CSS now. No. Yeah, I'm low. I had no bits yesterday. I bought more bits just to throw some at you. Now with the access to instance, you can call hub methods as if you're in the hub itself. Okay. If next dot equal to null. Sleeping like an awkward person problems. Okay, so you're saying in here, the problem is we call it from Chat Hub, don't we? So does this overwrite it? Sorry, I just have to get my head around it. So we have a chat controller. I guess the home controller. Maybe that's what I'm missing. At the moment, we have the JavaScript that runs in the background, and the Twitch chat service will handle when we receive a message. Yeah, so the bot set up down here, and then in the Twitch chat service file, when you receive a message, we send a message to Chat Hub with the username in the message. And then it's just set. So you can inject it in the Twitch service instead of the controller. Okay. Noted. Sweet. I'm glad you're here, Corey. I mean, I'm glad you're here anyway, but I appreciate the help. And then this will take hub context, chat hub context, and then here we do hub context equals can't touch today, hub context. There we go. And then where this is called is from here. So now this needs the context, doesn't it? But yeah, it gets it from here and then passes it through. I can't remember why we need it. Oh, because it sets up the connection here. But yeah, I get it from the startup. So we can... Yeah, okay, I'll refactor that afterwards. For now, I just want to get this working, and then I'll refactor that bit. So we want to get an instance. So hub hub context equals services dot. Nope. Where's create host builder? That's not in here, is it? No, okay. We're doing this in the wrong place. Yeah, I'll inject iConfiguration service or iConfiguration after. We'll just do this step first and I'll refactor it. So that's in a controller. So we need to get the... Will that get... it could be connection dot... Nope. How are we going to get the... I suppose we've got program here. Okay. So we want to... Yay! Thanks for the 100 bits! We still need to, don't we? All these bits. They're all wonderful. We still need to set up all this stuff. Because this is the Twitch settings. So this is going to take, rather than that, it's going to take an iConfiguration. Oh my god, all these bits! We have a hype train! What? Woo. Oh, we're not playing music. What's going on? I forgot to press play on Pretzel. Madness. We have a hype train. This is my second ever hype train. Woohoo! Stations. It's got to be Electro Swing, right? Oh my god, more bits! Thank you so much. Everyone's being very generous. Okay, so we take configuration. So rather than taking username, we're going to do private read only iConfiguration. Oh my god, all these bits. It's crazy. Thank you, everyone. Configuration. Then configuration is going to be equal to configuration. Then in here we can say which animation. Stream Elements. It's I'll show you. No. We're going to Stream Elements. We have alerts. Settings for the alert. Pip alert. All I did was just change the animation, not the animation, the thing down to 1. Yeah, it's just it has different different image by default for the animation, but I changed it to my swords. Oh. Direction's good for us. There you go. Username equals configuration dot. We can just steal it from here, can't we? Okay. So we've got the username and auth token. Summoning you to Steve's stream. Kitty is about... Kitty! I have bits for Kitty treats too. I have like... not bits. Channel points. I have like 11,000. I never used to have any because as soon as I hit 1,000 I donated them to the cat, but... Okay, so if we come back to here, we don't need this anymore. Yay, more bits! Woohoo! So this doesn't take that anymore. It takes... configuration. Not that. Yeah, there we go. The sarcasm is out in force, my friends. Hey, thanks for the follow, Matty Two Shoes.